Hello YouTube plumbers, plumbing apprentices. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm about to walk in the house for a Moen kitchen faucet repair, a leak of some sort. So we'll see you inside, we'll get the shots, and we'll get her done. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We truly appreciate it. As you know, I train my two sons, the plumbing apprentices, the trade. Follow their journey. It's going to be a long one, but well worth it. Because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. See you inside. Alright, here we go. We got a Moen leak. Now, how long has this been in? This year, right?
Yeah.
I'm hoping it's just something loose. Okay? Alright, let me put this in the dink so we don't lose no parts.
So many people are doing that.
What?
With this Facebook, YouTube.
Awesome. What's going on here? Where'd that little cap just go? Oh my god, don't lose this. Don't lose the cap. And you'll have a fit. Feels awfully stripped to me. You sure it's a Moen, dude? This ain't no Moen. This ain't no Moen, dude.
It's not.
Nope.
What is that?
It looks like a Delta. I'm thinking that it's just this thing here. It's loose. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is a Delta, man. Who? I can't even read this writing, dude. Alright, let me see something. Oh, it is a Moen.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is.
Man, this is really tight, man. Alright, I think the leak is stopped. Oh, there it is. Okay, this is a Moen. Alright, let me see if I can, oh, alright, I can take it apart. Let's see what we can do here. Usually there's a cartridge. Oh, wow. Huh. Alright, I'm gonna throw some grease in here, maybe it'll help. But, this is tired, dude. And this ain't no cartridge type.
It's just worn out.
Def-
The faucet you put in.
I need the faucet I put it in. I won't put this in. I like the Moen with the cartridge. I never seen a Moen like this. You know? Let me see if I can get some grease on this and see what happens, alright?
Hard to buy.
We got a lot of corrosion in here. We're gonna hit it with some plumber's grease. Maybe it'll help. I don't know. Oh. Have you guys ever seen a Moen like this? I know I haven't. I know I haven't for sure. So I'm not sure if this Moen was given to them on a replacement for a lifetime warranty. I'm not sure. Not sure. We're gonna find out though. And I think this was the leak because this wasn't tight. We're gonna see what happens here. Was this the replacement from Moen Company?
Yeah.
Lifetime warranty, this is what they give you?
Yeah. That's what they said.
When? How long ago was this?
I think about a year.
Alright. Let's see
I
what.
got Chucky some sweats, slippers, wallet.
You know you have a chrome soap dispenser and a nickel faucet.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, isn't that nice?
I like it. It's like a
You picked that up.
fashion.
Yeah, well, he's all about that.
Alright, alright.
Don't get me started. Yeah, how much are they? I could probably order one online.
A faucet? You can go get a nice faucet for.
I mean, the little.
Dude, this
thing
faucet
for this-
might be done, dude. Alright.
Maybe I could get two things to match. A soap dispenser and a faucet that match.
Once it's stripped out.
Do you have any faucets around the shop?
No. Kidding me, right?
Huh?
You're kidding me on this one, right? No, it's like, never mind. Come on, man.
I know. You know that must drive me crazy, the soap dispenser being a different, the old me would never go for that.
It doesn't even matter, that's the funny part.
It's so
Does it have soap come out?
Yeah,
That's good.
it's funny how things change.
Come on, tighten up. This must be stripped,
What's
dude.
going on with Charles? I haven't heard from him, seen him.
Finals today.
I know.
Come on, man. You kidding me with this crap? Yeah, this is still tight.
Terrible.
This plastic washer, it kind of seems like it's off back here. This washer here, like, I don't know what's wrong with it.
Yes.
They're not going to give you another faucet, dude. They're going to have your address and all that stuff. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Let's just hope it doesn't leak no more. How good am I today? Huh? Yeah, this is really tight, dude. How good am I today? The leak's fixed. What's that faucet installation day with CB2? He loves putting in kitchen faucets.
He does?
Yeah. Oh yeah, CB2. That's his specialty. There you have it, folks.
When's he working that price?
When's he on vacation?
He didn't tell me.
Alright. Let's see what happens here. So I'll check underneath, make sure nothing's leaking. But you need a new faucet, dude.
I can order one.
Or is it still leaking right now?
I don't.
Do we have any more drippy drippies? Nah. Let's call up Moen and see if we can get you a new kit, alright? Right now it's not leaking. Have you guys ever seen a Moen like this? I mean, really? I thought they were all cartridges. Let me know in the comments below. Really bad. I guess the plastic ring needs to be done.
Yeah, the O-ring's probably swollen, so we can get the proper one ordered, yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay, and then just because I have to ask here, obviously they're the original owners of the item, we shipped it out. Do they still have their original receipt for that first faucet before we replaced it, do you know?
I doubt it. She's here, but I don't think they do.
Okay. Alright. So I will go ahead and get that ordered. Yes, that's right.
Awesome. Okay. All right, cool.
Alrighty. Then you're all set.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for supporting, Moen. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. So I just learned something. It's a Moen ceramic cartridge. All right, Ange. Here's what's going to happen. They're going to send you the new ring. The leak stopped. So once it comes, we'll come put it in, okay?
Oh, okay. Not a new faucet?
Not a new faucet. You want to buy a faucet?
No.
Oh, of course not. All right. You want me to buy you a faucet? Mm-hmm. Who didn't know that? There you have it. I called Moen Tech Support. It's already been replaced. They already sent them a faucet. So now we're going to change, according to Moen. The O-ring is swollen. I don't know what that means, but that's going to come in the mail. Also a washer, swollen O-ring, and some Moen grease for the rotation of the spout. When the parts do show up, we're going to get CB2 to get it done. Right now he's in school, as we know. Anyway, we'll see you at the next one.